Are you looking for a SaaS website for your app preview page, agency, or any other business? Or a landing page for your SaaS company, SaaS product, or customer support automation? Introducing Chatbot TNC, the best Webflow SaaS landing page template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of Chatbot TNC. Now, let's see how to use Chatbot TNC. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow SaaS template, get Chatbot TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.